Alright, I built I call it a homemade trigger tester. I work on a lot of different stuff, and I don't really have a good voltmeter that'll test 1 or 2 volts. I think they call it a fluke charger or something like that. It does that a lot better. They cost about 80 bucks. I built this for like 20. This is actually a GY6 DC computer. Goes to a little Chinese scooter. They go on the four-wheelers and a whole bunch. There's the AC and the DC. The DC ones are a lot bigger. You plug in the AC to the DC, it'll pop and smoke and smell real good. I've done it before on accident. Anyway, how we make this runs off 12 volts. So you get a positive 12 volts into your computer. This charges up the computer, allowing it to get ready to spark. So we have our sensor here, and this would be on your flywheel of your four-wheeler. These are either 1-wire or 2-wire. If it's 1-wire, it'll be grounded out through the case. If it's 2-wire, obviously you'll have a green wire or something coming out that would need to be grounded out. On your computer, this is your ground, so it'll need to go to the battery. Also, you'll need a lead going to the motor, and this communicates with your pickup trigger. So you have your 1 to 2 volts going in here, charges up your system, and you'll pump out. Usually a lot of this stuff I think is over 50 volts is what pulls the coil, 50 plus volts. So you also have 2-wire coil. One of them have to be grounded out. You can either ground that out to your block or to your negative side of your battery, which is actually grounded out through this clip to the motor, so you're all good there. After I got my system set up, it kind of looks like a mess. This is my trigger out of my four-wheeler, and so I've got one negative going there. This is actually grounded out through this cable here, and I have my computer grounded out through there, which is one of these wires. I think it's this one right here. So anyway, we will got our spark plug wire there. I don't have an actual plug on it, and we're just going to take our starter wire, because that's all we got left of this thing, and you can literally hook this up to about anything, and you can actually replace a complete system. And I'm actually going to run this system on this little Chinese computer. We'll see how long it lasts. I've done this already. The guy never came back. He didn't want to spend a lot of money. But that's how to make a little trigger tester. Very cheap. You can get on eBay. This is a GY6 DC computer. I think they're about $15. Buy you a cheap coil. Actually, if you get on the internet, I think you can get the whole kit for about 20 bucks or something like that. But anyway, this is how I set it up. This works on really about anything, because it's just charging up the computer. The only thing you actually need out of any of your stuff is that trigger signal, and that's all we're measuring. So hopefully this helps. Anyway, have a good day. Science is awesome. Math's awesome.